Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. This episode is to help conclude Comfort Week here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Today I will be preparing baked beans and my sloppy joes. Let's get to it. To this small fry pan I'm going to add some diced red onion and some diced mild green peppers. Okay, these are looking good. Now let's get all the ingredients together. To this can of baked beans, I'm going to add the onions and peppers. Stone ground mustard, brown sugar, oops, molasses, and mix this all together. Okay, I'm going to pop this in the oven, which is at 350 for an hour. And now on to the sloppy joes. Got some oil heating up in the pan. We're going to add diced red onion, garlic, diced red bell pepper, mild green chilies, we're going to add some salt, and some pepper, this looks about ready. Now I'm going to add the hamburger, I'm going to break this up and get it brown. This is ready to go. Now I'm going to add the Heinz 57 ketchup. William Perrin's Worcestershire sauce. And stir this in. Now I'm going to add ground mustard, cumin, moriarty, chipotle, and smoked paprika. It smells good. I'm going to add a little more salt. Just a little. And a little bit of pepper. Now I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And now for the final presentation. Sloppy Joes topped off with some caramelized onions I had left over from the other night and some sharp cheddar cheese. And on the side, good old-fashioned baked beans. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like these recipes, you can find them and many more at the Casual Chef website. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.